All right, folks, here we go with another beautiful, gorgeous 2007 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor street appearance package from the city of Banning, California, with only 135,000 miles and only 224 idle hours. Vehicle is original silver from factory. And folks, before I begin, let me backtrack here. The vehicle is original silver from factory, but I've had the whole car repainted its original color due to the fact that the clear coat was burnt and there was paint peeling. And for those of us that are familiar with this, Banning, it's out in the desert, so the paint wasn't as good as I was expecting it to be. So in order for me to sell this car, I had to send it out for a full paint job, and let me tell you, it was not cheap. All right, here we go. Oh, one more thing. This is an announcement. This vehicle will only be sold to law enforcement officers, firefighters, security company, or government agents. Why? Because the vehicle is equipped with emergency lights and siren. It is not for sale to the public. Once again, you have to be a government agent and you will be required to show proof of that. I gotta stay within the guidelines and I don't want any trouble. So here we go, guys. 2007 with 135K, 224 idle hours police interceptor. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, fresh new paint all around. And no, it wasn't $500. The paint was pretty expensive. Those of you guys that follow me, that track my work, you know I'm not a cheap guy. So here we go. Fresh new window tint to replace the one the car came with because it was purple and it was peeling. Folks, vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape. Heck, the whole car looked new. But she won't be perfect. Remember, this is a used vehicle, but I got it as perfect as I could. Vehicle does have a new set of takeoff tires. The ones that the car came with, they were gone. So it's got a new set, it's got a new takeoff set. New set of takeoffs. Take 3, I swear to God. New set of takeoff with 235, 55, 17 Goodyear RSA. So I like to stick with the same ones that the police use. The agencies are using out there. Folks, I do have brand new headlamps, brand new side markers, and a brand new original equipment front grille. Well, heck, if I'm gonna spend $2,300 on a paint job, I might as well just give everything a whole facelift. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm setting you up for success on this one. I've done it all. The only thing you're gonna need is just pretty much fuel to get you where you need to go. All right, let's go inside real quick. Once again, new paint job. I gotta go ahead and step it up. I do have a lot of ground to cover here on this particular vehicle. Okay, electric seats on the front. Front seats are nice and comfortable. As you guys can see, nice clean interior. All seatbelts and buckles are in place. Carpet flooring with matching floor mats, with 4 matching floor mats in the vehicle. Door locks and switches are inside the rear door, so doors are fully functional from inside and out of the car. Let's go inside the car here so that I can show you what I've got. Let me backdrop here real quick. All right, here we go. The vehicle does have 135,000 miles. I'm responsible for 325 driven so far. 224 idle hours. Stereo does work. Now I know some of you guys are already looking and you're wondering what these switches are. Stay tuned, I will get to that in a minute.
Where are my customers? Okay, fine. I don't put mine on the hot dog and Wiener Schnitzel, dude. I'll pile them on chili cheese fries.
Ticket light does work. Courtesy light is on every time you open the doors. The light will come on. Map lights are on, so they do work. You guys already know what that is. We'll leave that open. Let me clean this up.
No child should have to worry about finding good food at school. So when my wife Kat and I learned,
Let me see if I can focus in here, guys.
get fresh produce in the cafeteria, we took action. We partnered with local farmers.
All right. Anyway, I can't get it to focus, but that is a federal signal hideaway siren, full siren with air horn. No PA system. Once again, no PA system. I am missing an ashtray here. Well, the ashtray is here, but the little lid broke off. Don't worry, I found one on eBay for $80, and I do have one coming that matches the interior. Don't worry, I got you covered. She will be complete. I got a full spare tire. Tire jack is right there, and this here, it's a gun rack. It does work. Right now it's locked. Switch over here, press it, opens up, locks it, and it locks everything in there. All right, the clock is ticking, so let's continue moving forward here. Folks, I do apologize. I am moving kind of quick, but because I got 10 minutes to say everything I need to say about this particular vehicle. New sign markers, new headlamps. You guys are looking at the strobes. We'll get to those in a minute. As you can see, the whole vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and it doesn't need anything whatsoever but a new owner. Super clean. I've already gone through the whole car, and once again, I have set you up for success. Starting right to left, I do have a new air filter. Throttle body was serviced. I do have 8 new Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs, fresh new 520 full synthetic oil change and filter. Transmission has been serviced, fluid and filter were done, and I went ahead and had an external independent transmission cooler added to the vehicle so those two can work together. Okay, fresh new battery. I got a new Gates belt. I got a blue silicone top radiator hose. Folks, if we get to this one right here, I do have the clips for the top radiator support from that department. You are looking at a new AC condenser, brand new radiator. This came to me this way from that department, so they took care of it. I went ahead and had a new OEM Motorcraft fan, electric fan and module added to the car. Why? Because the one that the car came with, yes, it was new, and it was an aftermarket fan. And for those of us that are familiar with aftermarket cooling fans, they are not good, and it was making the car vibrate every time it came on. So that told me that the fan blade was kind of bent or warped, and that made the car vibrate a little bit when it came on. Am I missing anything else? Super cold AC, guys. It's nice and cold AC. It's got new from Motorcraft brakes. Rear brakes are good. I left those alone. So front, new Motorcraft brakes. Once again, new tires, new tent. Okay, let's get to the bottom of it here. Again, this vehicle is only sold it's gonna be sold to government agents. Switch, we go down. Light comes on, it's letting you know that something is on. So if you go one click down, it's gonna activate the rear flashers with the red and blue on the rear only. Okay, one click down activates the rear lights. There is nothing on the front right now, so but I do have 4 clear strobes on the front, in the front. I need to hurry up and get this done for us here. All the way up, and here we go, guys. Folks, I will tell you that I'm not gonna hit the siren because my neighbors will come out and they're gonna want to know what's going on. But if you bring it to the middle, blue light is off. Air horn, that's the only thing I'm gonna hit. I'm not gonna hit the siren, guys, I'm sorry, but it is pretty loud. The siren module, it's located, the box speaker is located behind the grill. Okay, let's go ahead and get us going here. One last final look. I know, I'm sorry, I went over my 10 minutes. Alright guys, here she is, 2007 with 135K, 224 idle hours. It will only be sold to government agents, police, or firefighter. Thanks for watching. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have yourself a great weekend.